we're trying to match this part of the graph to its verbal description, and to think about the reasoning behind our choice, right? So we're looking at the part where it says Sam and his friend biked together to an ice cream shop that is between their houses. So this belongs to part C. Why? So think about what we're looking at here. We're looking at, over time, the distance from home. And the reason we're looking at part C for this is because as they're biking together, so Sam was at his friend's house, and as they're biking together, the distance from Sam's home begins to decrease, right? So when the distance from his home is 0, that means he's at his home. So obviously the distance has not decreased back to 0 because he hasn't gotten home yet. He went to an ice cream store. But it is decreasing. It is moving towards 0, towards him moving back towards his house, right? Because it says it's between their houses. So if we think about it almost like on a map, right? Here's his house. He bikes to his friend's house, and then he turns around and he bikes back towards the ice cream the store, right? There's the ice cream. And so when he does that, he's moving back towards where he began, back to his house. But he hasn't returned completely to his house yet. So we shouldn't see his graph returning back to 0 yet. So it makes sense that we're looking at section C, where he started to move towards being back at 0 distance from home, back at being at his house, but not yet. Not there yet.